Introduction. Into the Shadows of America's Forgotten Women. History is written by those who demand to be remembered. But what of the voices that are silenced? The Vanishing Act. Unsolved Cases of America's Most Mysterious Women. Shadows of the Past. The first Trilogy Collection invites you to step into a realm where the answers lie just out of reach and the truth hides in plain sight. These are not merely tales of disappearance or death. They are windows into lives lived on the margins of society's expectations. Dorothy Arnold, a young heiress yearning for freedom in the stifling upper echelons of New York society. Mary Rogers, a celebrated beauty whose tragic fate gripped the streets of Manhattan and the pen of Edgar Allan Poe. Belle Gunness, a farmer with a lethal secret, whose calculated crimes left a trail of devastation in her wake. Each woman's story is a knot of ambition, secrecy, and societal constraints woven into the fabric of an America grappling with the tensions between change and tradition. In these pages, you'll encounter the cutting-edge detective work of the time and its glaring shortcomings. You'll see how the media shaped public opinion, how societal norms stifled women's independence, and how families coped with loss in an era when justice often felt out of reach. But most importantly, you'll meet 3 women whose lives transcend the mysteries surrounding them, reminding us that history is not just about what happened, but about who it happened to. This trilogy is the gateway to the Shadows of the Past series, where forgotten crimes are brought to life through meticulous research and immersive storytelling. Prepare to lose yourself in these tales of ambition, betrayal, and survival, and let the haunting question of what really happened pull you further into the shadows. Now turn the page and take your first step into the mystery of Dorothy Arnold, an heiress who walked out of her gilded life and into the unknown.